I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure your game is updated and you save the slot you'll edit. Once ready, press the plus button to open the map and immediately select the Notes icon. This opens the note creation interface. Use the joystick or touchscreen to position the cursor where you want a new note, or tap a free slot to create one. This gets you straight into making notes without wasted setup time, so you can begin cataloging locations and ideas right away. Now create and organize your entries. Start with a concise title, then add a few words of context so you know why it matters. Once done, use the pin feature to anchor a note to a map location and change its color for immediate visual grouping. Make quick sketches or arrows to show pathing, and rearrange notes by proximity to group-related targets. These steps help you turn scattered observations into a searchable, actionable set of waypoints and reminders. Finish by reviewing your notes on the full map, making sure pins and colors appear as intended. Adjust any text for faster reading in the field. Make a manual save after major edits, and consider keeping an extra save slot to avoid accidental loss. If something goes wrong, like missing notes, reload a previous save or restart the console, and confirm the game is fully updated. This last check prevents data loss and keeps your note system reliable when you need it most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.